This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the standard deviation and variance calculator. This calculator will find the sample standard deviation and variance. I've already entered my numbers in, separated by commas. You can also use spaces. Next, click the blue Find the Variance and Standard Deviation button. Scroll down and here are our results. The variance is 175.1 and the standard deviation is 13.2. If you scroll down, you'll find a list of the basic steps on how this calculation was arrived at. If you'd like more detail on how to calculate those steps by hand, I do have another video on my channel on how to calculate the sample standard deviation and variance. You can find the video on our variance page. Click on variance, click on how do I calculate variance, and from there you can watch the video. Thanks for checking in. I'll see you in the next video.